Hey everyone, what is up, Ethereal here with another video, and today I am going to tell you about what my plan is for my hair for this year. The plan is that I am going to be wearing mini braids for an entire year. You heard me right, an entire year. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to grow my hair out to tailbone length, at least for this year. This is my goal, but my overall plan is to be able to grow my hair as long as possible. Throughout the years, even when growing up, I've noticed that my hair tends to thrive the most when it is in braids. So right now my mindset is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But the way that I'm going to be doing this is the exact same way that I have been growing out my hair. The routine that has worked the best for me throughout these 3 to 4 years of growing my hair all the way to hip length. Feel free to go on this journey with me if you would like. I'm going to show you my progress throughout this journey. Without further ado, let's go. Right now, she's doing pretty well. She's still hanging in there. I've been taking good care of her. Like I said, I haven't been having her out a lot. I've been having her up in these little updos and whatnot. So she shouldn't be super damaged. I'm just gonna cut this much off of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, it kind of makes me a little sad, but it's okay. She gonna grow back. All right, she is cut. Now I'm going to be doing the same process with the rest of my hair. If I do remember to record it, I'll come back and show you, or just cut it while the camera is on. But right now, maybe I should just do it all in one fell swoop. That makes the most sense. So this is the very back, the backety back. It feels so much better, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I always be like hesitant to cut too much off my hair. I don't cut a lot off unless I literally see that it needs help or it's like really rough at the end. So I think so far I've been doing pretty good with that. Honestly, the only reason why I would be trimming a lot more often is when I'm wearing my hair out. I've noticed that I've had to trim a lot more often when I wear my hair out of like braids. So that is a strange thing. Like, I don't know, my hair really loves braids. Oh, that is her saving grace. That is how she got this long. So usually in braids, I don't really have to worry about cutting a lot off until like the end of the year, which is insane to me. Definitely got a lot of knots here. I'm trying to make sure it's all one nice even cut. I'm gonna cut off about this much of my hair. Yeah, that much. There we go. You can kind of see that. Like I really check my ends because I really don't want to cut off anything that's unnecessary. I check thoroughly. All right, so here we go. It's about the same one. It's hard to see because my hair is so long and I'm wearing black. 2, 3. All righty. Get the nasty ends off. Yeah, this is about how much I've cut off so far. Not a lot. Like I said, I don't like to cut a crap ton when I know that I don't need to. Okay, so these are my ends for this. There's a lot of shed hair that I'm trying to get out, but you know, them shed hairs like to hang on for dear life. I'm just gonna cut this little bit right here. Okay, it's looking a lot better now. I'm gonna get this little part. Oh, it is very rough. I needed to trim. Okay, definitely feeling way better now. In order to distinguish the other ones, because I already have them in bantu knots, so I'm not gonna put them just in an ordinary, I'm gonna put it in a twisted one. The ones that I finished, I'm gonna put them in a twisted bantu knot, if you will. I'm going to get started on my mini braids.